Ever wondered how to make the perfect classic beef lasagna at home? The secret lies in mastering a few key steps, and today, we're going to do just that. Picture this: 9 lasagna noodles, a pound of ground beef, an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, water, olive oil, dried basil, dried oregano, salt and pepper, all coming together in a perfect symphony of flavor. Add in ricotta cheese, fresh parsley, an egg, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and optional fresh basil leaves for garnish, and you've got yourself a classic beef lasagna to rival any Italian restaurant. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms, start preparing the meat sauce. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, cooking until it becomes translucent. Add the minced garlic, cooking for another minute before adding the ground beef. Cook until the beef is browned, breaking it apart as it cooks. Drain the excess fat, then add the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, water, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Stir well, then simmer the sauce for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. While the sauce simmers, prepare the cheese filling. Combine the ricotta cheese, chopped parsley, and beaten egg in a medium bowl. Mix well. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. In a 9x 13-inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of the meat sauce on the bottom. Place 3 lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. Spread a third of the ricotta mixture over the noodles, followed by a third of the mozzarella cheese and a quarter of the Parmesan cheese. Repeat these layers twice, ending with a layer of meat sauce and the remaining Parmesan cheese on top. Cover the lasagna with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 25 minutes or until the lasagna is hot, bubbly, and the cheese is melted and slightly browned. Before serving, allow the lasagna to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to serve. Garnish with fresh basil leaves if desired and serve hot with a side of garlic bread and a green salad. There you have it, a homemade classic beef lasagna that's a surefire crowd pleaser. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and relish the compliments on your culinary prowess. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.